Hi guys, I'm so happy you're watching this video because today we are in Amersfoort. We just came to walk here in this beautiful city to enjoy it. Actually, Dima and I, we already came here in summer. Oh, the sun is shining, but in summer it was very crowded and it was very hard to film here because it was all full of people. But today it's not so noisy here, and it's a perfect opportunity to walk here, to explore the city a little bit. Today we came with kids, and today is what I call the bingo day, because we are all totally healthy, safe and sound, no one is sick, and the sun is shining, and today is Sunday and we have no special plans for today. So yep, let's explore the city together. Also today we will share our update on the house hunting in the Netherlands, how is everything going. We'll tell what is our progress for the last month. So let's spend this beautiful day together. We are passing by an art gallery and Dima now has a dream. What's your dream, Dima?
One day, when will I be rich, I would like to buy a piece of art in my house, probably a picture, and hang it somewhere on the wall and just saying, yeah, this is original one from
Amersfoort,
someone, yeah, I bought it when he was not famous yet, so it's nice. It's from his earlier days.
I think we must be rich to buy the house first.
Yeah. Good idea.
It's strange, but it was so sunny, but it started to rain and we started to search for the cafe like very fast. And we were very lucky to get in such an amazing place. Just have a look, guys. It's a huge cafe with a huge playground for kids with a lot of toys. So we have a couple of minutes
in the center of Amersfoort.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, we have a couple of minutes to give you guys an update about our house hunting, which is intensive. So what is the result up to now? It is the end of November.
Yeah, the result is we've lost 6 houses. We made a bid for 6 houses and we lost them. We were bidding like 15, from 10 to 15% more for each of them. We were agreeing these prices with the real estate agent.
We are losing.
We haven't won any of them. We're still waiting for an answer for 2 more houses, and next week we'll be viewing 3 more houses. We'll see how it will be, but yeah, generally right now we are losing everywhere because as our real estate agent says, you don't have money, guys. You need more money.
You know, guys, if you have more money, you will win the house. So that's the reality. One of the house was bidded 85,000 more. We are bidding 60,000 more, guys. 55 to 60,000 more, and we're losing. But those money are not in cash, so we don't have so much in cash. Oh, there is a train actually upstairs. It's beautiful. Yep, we will keep you informed how is everything going, and we do really hope that we will find something nice.
I hope so. Someday.
All of us, yeah, we do really hope. But for now, we will enjoy our day in Amersfoort, in this nice place. It's the first time actually we found something like that here in the Netherlands.
Yeah, but how many times we were in the restaurants in the Netherlands? Like,
not so many times.
well, I don't know, like 4, maybe 5 times.
Yeah.
For since February this year. So
and this is great that it was just
not a lot.
Random. We just saw that in the street, and it's beautiful. Oh, class.
Прикольно.
Good boy.
Это я. Good boy.
Вон наш заказ. Finally, our lunch has arrived, and we feel that everyone will be full today. Everything looks really tasty. Tasty?